Hello everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel Design Studio by Zarin Khan. Today's topic is how to upscale images on Canva. Canva launched awesome features like Photo Upscale, photo color editing, and more. So let's start the video. Before starting the video, please like, follow, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for exciting and interesting graphic design tips and tricks related topics. Here I am going to show you step-by-step process. Today I'm going to show you Canva images editing on mobile phone. You can use your mobile phone to create amazing contents. So let's get started first. From Google Play Store, download Canva app. Now in Canva app, how to make upscale your image, I am going to show you. Now watch and learn. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos.